As you've been seeing, our healthcare system seems to be crumbling underneath this crisis. There is not enough. There's not enough support for the healthcare system. There's not enough support for the American people inside of the healthcare system. Are you now reconsidering your position when it comes to single-payer healthcare?
Single payer will not solve that at all. The thing that is needed is, for example, we have a whole number of hospitals that are being so stretched, including rural hospitals, they're going to need more financing. That doesn't come from a single payer system. That comes from the federal government stepping up and dealing with the concerns that they have, the reimbursement that they're going to get, how they're going to be able to move forward, and how they're going to be able to provide all the needed help that are needed in their communities. This is an opportunity to look at reconstructing the healthcare system in a way that, in fact, can respond more rapidly and more effectively to these kinds of crises, because it's going to come again. We should be spending, and we are spending, a great deal of time and effort finding a vaccine, finding a way that we can deal with preventing these diseases further down the road. But, for example, we had people, when our administration, we had CDC people in other countries because we wanted to anticipate when, in fact, another virus would occur, when, in fact, a pandemic might occur as a consequence of a spreading virus in another country, to act quickly. President, we withdrew those people. I insisted that I didn't insist. I suggested that we should have people in China at the outset of this event. And when it all started in Wuhan province, and what happened? We did not insist that they go into the areas we wanted to. So I just, that's all I can do, is do what I know has to be done, say what I know has to be done.
So if you become the nominee and then you do win the general election, a lot of ifs there, how quickly in that matter can you reassemble the pandemic team that the president got rid of? Very quickly.
Very quickly. It can be done very quickly. And that's what my team is talking about right now. How will we do that if we win? And what will we do exactly on day one? How will it start?
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.